Noise Productions.
Hey guys, we're back again with another season of the Hot Mic. My name is Dairai Chawasema and I'm here today with
Shupi.
May you please introduce yourself and tell us more about yourself.
My name is Shupi. Everyone knows me like, oh yeah, that's what they know, you know what I mean? But I'm a musician, dancer, choreographer. Shupi as a name, a lot of people, I think, they don't know I'm a 2 million, no, ask me the same question. Where is Shupi? Where did the Shupi name come from? But Shupi is the stage name I used to use, Palaita Drama Music and Dance. So I thought, let me use the same name on as a normal course to the music side. When I met Stan, then it blew up to become one of the best names. Akona Shupi, please, there's no Shupi. Like Harare. I don't know why people don't ask where is Harare, but when it comes to me, they want to know where Shupi is. There's no Shupi. So I'm a dancer, choreographer, writer. There's a lot of things I do in arts. So I'm everything in the arts industry.
So do you have like videos where you were dancing?
Yeah, I have videos, but you know, that time people were recording, they have them, not me, you see.
Okay.
Yes, but I can still dance now.
You can still dance?
My God.
If I ask you to dance, will you dance?
I know, they have to watch my videos.
We want to see it now.
No, don't worry. I will see it soon.
Okay, so why did you choose music over the dance?
My dad was a musician. He used to have this flute, you know. So he used to play at church every Sunday. So when I was growing up, 1 year, 2 or 3 years, I was watching my dad playing in church. Like, okay, my mom also used to be in the choir group. So I started singing at church. So I was known the time. I used to remember we used to have a group of young artists. We used to copy secular music and sing it in church. That's how I started.
Oh, that's
yes,
nice.
like
So,
man.
can you tell us a bit about your music journey?
It's been tough. I always tell people that when it comes to music, you should take your time. Right? Perseverance pays. But I'm from a Christian background where you have to know what my verse is one. Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1. It says, faith is a substance of things hoped for, things that don't seem by naked eye. So when you believe in yourself, as within my journey, I came from a background where no one in our family is a musician, except my dad and my mom, right? And also, I come from an extended family where most of them are engineers, you know what I mean? Educated brothers and sisters, right? Then I started doing music. Everyone was like, this is your own base, you can't do this, you know what I mean? Then I pursued into there's a time when no one wanted to talk to me or help me.
Because of music?
He said, why are you doing music? You should have done engineering. You went to school and you stopped because you want to do engineering. I told him, you know, I'm a musician. I love to dance. I love to sing. And when I started flying now, everybody now became my brother and my sister. That's my brother. He's very good. I became an example to our school and everything. So my journey was not easy because I grew up in times where parents, now these parents understand, but they were like, no, music, parents love. Yes, so it's been tough, but I thank God I'm here today.
That's great. So what do you think is killing music?
Number one, I would say drugs and alcohol. The moment you mix the two, both everybody's like people seeing me the way I am right now. I think Shupi smokes, Shupi drinks. He's a party animal. Shupi doesn't drink. Shupi doesn't smoke. Don't look at me and judge me, but you have to be around me to understand me. So what has killed music nowadays is one, I would say drugs and alcohol. Number two is patience. People don't have patience. They want to release a song today and it'll become a hit next week. And they start driving in the third month BM or Benz. Music is like a little baby. It grows slowly. You know what I mean? It takes 9 months to give birth to a child. But also it takes all these 17, 18 years for you to be from grade 7 to form 6. So goes as music. Because I've seen so many artists. They want to be rich and make it there. Take your time. Because you grow slowly.
How come to others it looks so easy?
It's not easy. because I've got a Christian background, when God's time is now, it looks easy. But someone can just record a song today. It's okay to juice it up and blow up. It's not
exactly like
it's not that it's easy. He has recorded and tried so many times. But anyway, some people can just wake up from home, go to Chusport and record a song. And when I saw Heyman go Chusport on social media, I just found out, this is a young man, I'm not gonna kuimba. When he recorded, everyone is saying Heyman songs. So God's time is always the best time. Sometimes patience pays.
Patience pays, guys. I know patience pays. So can you please tell me, like, what do you think about Enzo Aisha's breakdown?
Enzo is a very good brother of mine. I can give you an example that when I did Zamurizo, because you know what it's a Wamanda and Soja Love. I met Soja Love Kumbare before he became Soja Love. I went there to get my hair done that time. Then I went to the place Soja Love. I'm done. I know, let's do a collab on Soja Love. Guess what? Enzo Aisha was, and this Soja Love found in Mafia 19 boys. Enzo was in that team.
He was in that team?
He was just that guy who works with Soja Love, you know what I mean? And she said, I'm down to say, this is one person I used to talk to a lot when I get there. I'm down to say, I love music, I did not try, but I did not finish Soja Love. But when God's time came, he blew up and he's one of the most talented people. But his breakdown is what I'm going to say now. The problem with Zimbabweans or our fans in the world or any other person is one. Everyone expects Wasangane we must always be happy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They come from Shupi, they be Enzo. But there are problems that face us we don't have anyone to tell. Because they don't counselor Ifaniamu, they don't doctor. Enzo. I can't tell anyone my problems. Sometimes they'll get to a point where they'll break to the media and affect like what he did to Enzo. I can't on air because he could not take it. I've got so many problems, but I have no one to tell. You know what I mean? That's why some break into drugs and etc. So his breakdown is not what is the problem, but it's because you guys don't listen to us. When we are in problems, you always want to see us happy. Now you see the breakdown of Enzo, breakdown of Pop Ten, breakdown of Ndunge. There's so many artists I have seen, they're not saying anything, but they are in so many problems. But I'm saying, I think we need to have time where people create environment for artists to sit down with them and talk to them.
Okay.
Not on an interview like this one, but on a private and understand their lives. You know a lot about artists.
So they also kind of need counseling.
Yes, we need counseling sometimes. Yeah, but we don't get that because everyone's a fan.
Oh, okay, now I get you. So can you please just give us a little something, or maybe sing about me? I don't know. Sing about me. I know that I'm Baba Shupi.
Bashupi is a singer, and I'm not scared to sing. You know what I mean? I am the one saying, "Vaidza muridzo, vandiona, because you know what it's a wamanda. Here you munu, aungamugoni, oh yerere, kanari godo." Godo toraisha nje matimadini miraidi kutipira manje tobigwa nemamonya kesipekera to mawani nodandi kupei kuti uvure bero vanouya nemota achida kuvhura bero. I was so many songs, so now I can sing the whole interview. No one will not get on me.
Aish, I think you can do that after. So guys, we're gonna take a break. It's the hot mic.
Topic never monya. Hey, never monya. Hey, topic never monya. Hey. Guess who's back at the top? Mawani. Get up to the watch. Mawani. Anzi disu machak. Mawani. Jacks better turn the beat up. Wanna talk about Tina? Mawani. Wanna tea that she put the Mawani. Wanna my baby at Tina? Mawani. Topic never monya. Mawani. DJ way. Mawani. DJ way. Mawani. 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 Inda muchidaro. Mabola karane naro. The boss is back Musadaro. My CD's got more action than Sparrow. If you're thirsty, do aina. Ex Alexi, iyo ndoshaina zvechikudo ndinogona mafeta kutotaura neshona pana nochena kudai vamwe vasiri isusu gold on the rocks munodawo kana pana nenharo totanga mawani Yes, who's back at the top? Mawani. Get up, who's in the watch? Mawani. And say this is my top? Mawani. Jack's better turn the beat up.
Hey guys, we're back again. I'm with Baba Shupi. Yo. So we're just gonna play a game. It's called Imitate the Artist.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you're gonna give me one of your favorite artists and you have to imitate that person.
Favorite? Yeah, no, I don't have a favorite. I love favorite artists. But I love Alec Macheso. I love Oliver Mtukudzi. I love Enzo Aishao. I love what's his name? Shangwari, what's his name?
I don't know the name, I only know the song.
Pop Tang.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Pop Tang.
Yes. I love every artist. That's me. I don't have a favorite artist.
Okay, so
I am my own favorite artist. Yes.
Okay, can you sing one of Pop Tang's song?
Shangwari yangu, madira unaita. And he can I love the way Pop Tang sings. He's got his own style.
Oh yeah.
Can I say one? Amen.
Imitate him.
Quando farira.
I love that song. Can you sing?
You know what? The problem with Shupi is one thing. I listen. Listen. I listen to their sound, right?
Yes.
But if I don't know the words, I sing what I want. That's me. You
can just do that.
Pakanaka kunge iwewe nona. Tengama kurora kacho kunoneta. Oto dati bisemo. Asi basikana. Manenge iwewe. I mix what I want. That's me. But it's not my song.
Can you also imitate Oliver Mtukudzi?
Oliver.
Oh, yeah.
Doiwane pinyanga enzo, doiwane pimunojusha, doiwane pinyanga echipembere. Shua, makavise mapondo. It used to be my mentor, so it's easy, you know. Then Alec Macheso.
Alec Macheso.
Yeah, you know, it's the only icon that we're left with. He meant Ellen Shakata in Zimbabwe. But my giants, because Mkanya Walakunze, yes, is one of the best as well. So I didn't know what to get it.
So give us some Alec Macheso.
Mazukuru. Tikaunganani mazukuru so gaza. Ndinoda kuimba zvakawanda mazukuru. Asi kambokangu ya muzukuru kokuti pandakabarwa muna 1940 muna zvita vakandosvika vatave gore. That's Alec Macheso for you.
Yeah, that's true. So I'm gonna play another game. I'm gonna count a song and then you have to guess.
Yeah, I'm West. That okay? I'll try, but I'm West. But I don't. You know, I don't listen to a lot of musicians because I don't want to write the lyrics. But it's a game. Let's play. That's easy. That's Pop Tang. Shamari yangu, madira unaita. Adikendenge. Yeah, that's Pop Tang. Gosh, ndavara yo. Ndavara. That's the end of it.
No, it's not.
Who's that now? I'm lost. Honestly.
It was actually an old song.
Old song?
Yes.
How could I have an old song?
Your band was only big square like the new version.
Oh! You be blessed.
You lost, anyway. You lost.
This is my boy. I'm my best buddy.
You're not his best buddy.
I am.
How? When you don't know his song?
You know what? When you hum music, it's different. If you play the beat, people will know.
Okay, one last artist.
Yeah. We try.
Okay, now I can see the thing of anything. Okay.
Kuti ndiwe daliwa chengetedza jabreza. You know, I always swim to the choruses. I quickly get it.
The chorus.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, like, can you tell us, like, what have you been making for us? Because people have been saying you've been quiet.
Boom, to my favorite. Yeah. People have said I should have been quiet for a long time. No, I'm an artist who love to take my time. So, Shupi 2021, I'm going to release Zimbabwean Mapiano sound to the people.
Mapiano.
For Christmas, boom. Now, 3-4 songs. My album has got 9. But for Christmas, 3-4, because I know it's not our sound, and I'm proud to say that my piano is from South Africa. But what I want to do, I want to sing my piano in Shona.
So then why must you piano?
There's called trending.
Okay.
What's trending nowadays? I sing our traditional music. In another album, that's why I've got like 82 songs. But the they will never listen to me, so I stick to that.
Alright, guys, imagine to watch piano. So we're gonna take another break and we're gonna come and play games again.
Yo.
This is the hot mic.
Boom!
Hey guys, we're back again. So we're gonna play a game called Guess the Juice. I'm gonna be giving you a juice and then you have to tell me what it is.
Oh, yes, as long as it's not beer, there's juice I know.
No, it's not beer. It's
Beer, I will choke someone, but I don't drink.
Here's the juice.
Okay. Tastes like Pepsi Coke, actually. Yeah.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah, Pepsi. Pepsi.
Well,
Pepsi.
you got it all wrong.
What is it?
It's 7-Up.
Yeah, I know Pepsi. I love you, Pepsi. Hello, Pepsi is.
You say Coke.
Yeah, Pepsi is Coke.
Yes.
You
You say Coke, but you say Coke, not 7-Up.
Alright, I said enough Coke.
Yeah, you lost. I'm going to give you another juice.
I smell first like what? Just like Fanta Marinda. Something. Yeah. Fanta Marinda is fine.
You got it wrong again. It's a mixture actually.
Yeah, Fanta Marinda.
No, it's not Fanta Marinda.
Yes, what is it? It's a mixture of what? But it's good Marinda or Fanta?
I'll tell you after.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna give you another one. You should get this one right.
This is not with drinking. This is caskets. Everybody knows
Finally,
this
you got one right.
casket.
Finally.
That's straight because I drink caskets since grade 1.
If you didn't get this one right,
That's casket. That's what I did. That's what I know.
okay, this
From
is the last
childhood.
one.
Another drink.
Yes, this is the last.
The mixture of one.
The last one.
Pepsi. Pepsi.
You emphasize Pepsi to you because the last time I saw it.
You know what? The funny thing is with Pepsi, I can give you an example, right? But I'm not know the answer. This. It Coke, but it Pepsi. You black here.
Okay.
Yeah. In the Pepsi.
Yeah, you got it right this time.
Pepsi. Because I drink it a lot when I go out. That's my favorite.
Pepsi, that's your favorite.
Yes. Fanta.
So guys, we're gonna one cheat. No. One.
Casket.
Casket.
The Pepsi 2.
Casket and Pepsi, Coke.
Yes.
That's it.
The mama mixture,
No, there was only one mixture.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, that mixture was a problem.
Yes. Can you tell my phone?
Can I
Hi guys, welcome to Hot Mic. Right now we're going to play the How Far Can You Drink game. So here we have placed 3 cups in front of each participant. What they have to do is pick up the cup and then they tell us, do you think this is water or a drink? And then you drink. But this is a competition, guys. I have something for the winner. So what I am going to do is when they shout out drink or water, this is going to be for the correct answer and this is going to be for the wrong answer. Let's start.
let you go? I follow it.
3, 2, 1.
Shupi. It's
You finished all of the liquid, but what is the water? And you said it was juice. What? That's incorrect, but she just said wow. I'm going to bed with my money.
No, I won. I said, wait, then I said what? I said water here. This is water. Hey, and this is juice. I won. Don't feel I won. Mariamu, give me my money. Give me my money on board the Stumbiza. Give me my money.
But this is not fair.
What is not fair? You could marry.
We should share the money.
Why?
I also got 1 correct.
Shamari yangu. I won.
No, you didn't. Welcome back, guys. We're now going to play safe, but this is the ain't no hands game. So what these guys have to do is eat an apple, but without using your hands, you only eat using your mouth. Are you guys ready?
I'm an eater.
This one is for you.
many things they try to talk. Many things they try
Are you
to
guys
do.
ready?
Many things I would not do. But my God always take my side. Many things they try to talk. Many things they try to do. Many things I would not do. But my God always take my side. When I tell you I'm from, you won't believe me. Nah, you won't believe me. When I tell you I'm from, you won't believe me. Nah, you won't believe me. When I talk to my fans, they all receive me. Yeah, they all receive me. When I talk to my fans, they all receive me. Yeah, they all receive me. And I'm talking like, and I'm talking like,
Give me some chew.
You think it's a good guy?
I was working on farms. I
Papa
know.
should be his name. Trust me, he's moving.
they don't know how I do my thing, but my blessings they come from me. They like the way I
No
sing,
hands.
but my
Trust
talent
me,
they
this
come
fight is one.
no matter what I do, yeah, I keep showing love.
People at home, they don't eat apples. This is good time for Africa.
They can show me love. When I tell you I'm from, you won't believe me.
10.
Nah, you won't believe me. When I tell you I'm from, you won't believe me. Nah, you won't believe me. When I talk to my fans, they all receive me.
Top 10.
When I talk to my fans, they all receive me. Yeah, they all receive me. And I'm talking like, and I'm talking like,
Other days, I'm waiting for you. Okay.
Tava shit, head break. Sound like you hate on in my district. But Hatikenenge, titty tappy tapunga, hoochie for pancake. Dina papa go yo. I teach you when they go yo. When they go to the whiskey, that you know what I come. When I tell you I'm from, you won't believe me. Nah, you won't believe me. tell you where I'm from, you don't believe me. Now you don't believe me. When I talk to my fans, they all receive me. Yeah, they all receive me. When I talk to my fans, they all receive me. Yeah, they all receive me. And I'm talking like,
Up here. Up here. Hands or no hands. People, please. It feels like we already have Helena and then Lisa. Yes,
Hey guys, so back again, even though that you are over there, they say.
I don't know what I want to do. Just was having fun, though. I don't know.
Anyways.
Yeah, we know it.
Really?
Yes. Beautiful and nice and sexy and all that. So I just had to stand in as a man to show it in this banner posh.
Thank you.
You know.
So, Shupi, can you tell us about what you're making for us, or if you're having anything for us?
I would say today I'm on Hot Mic, and promisingly, there's something we're working on with Hot Mic that you'll see for December. Because Hot Mic is the best place to be. If you are watching this program, don't touch that dial. If you're at home bored, this is a place to be. And I'm telling you, Shupi and Hot Mic, they're going to drop something new for Christmas that we're working on behind doors, because people don't want to see what's happening. Besides that, Shupi is done with the recording now. I've recorded 82 tracks, and I'm releasing some of them in December, and I've got a traditional album that is actually released. So a lot is coming. I'm gonna be one of those big artists. Yes. Where Jai is gone, I want to go over that. Not because I'm competing with him, but we want to do greater things.
So are you ready for all that?
Shupi was born ready.
Okay.
Since birth until today, I'm still one guy. If you wake me up at 2 a.m. and say sing, I can sing. Because that's something I love to do.
Only because you love it.
Yes, music is my passion. Not a perfect passion, but it's my passion.
Okay, tell us about your music.
Shupi music, go on YouTube. Shupism. Instagram, Shupism. Any other platform takes some music. Just look for Shupism, you'll find me. Shupism. Nothing else. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so this is it. I had fun with Shupi.
Yes.
Even though Shupi, we know one game. Anyways, we are done. This is the Hot Mic. He's gonna give us his freestyle after this. Bye.
I'm no positive it comes to intros. Now it's chwerengwa na Shupi. Umpati ntambo mbadwe tambo anwanwa Shupi. Anzaite freestyle Hot Mic ukuona uchangobva kusvika Hot Mic iri kupesa uku ndokupera kwendau dzedu. Inzwa niwanurana bvisa hembe dzako dzawakapfeka baby toda kutamba lula lula. Bvisa hembe dzako dzawakapfeka baby toda kutamba lula lula. Kokambamba kokapfeka konepiko baby iwe bvisa lula yanotwala iswimming. Ndikuti bvisa hembe dzawakapfeka zvimataiti zvachi seswimming. Lula ndosana musoro inobvisa. Then we move again to old school. And this vairidza muridzo vandiona iko zvinowaridza wamanda iyeyu munhu haunga mugoni may his whole life rest in peace soja lavo ndakarwadziwa anditiza tovavapo topigwa nemamoni guess who's back at the top mawani waiza ndindakaimba waiza odani kupei kuti ufure bhero ndindakaimba tozoya kumapiano wazwanovani ukuti mina ndine mali wakanzwa nani kuti ini ndine mari ko fi aimi Don't touch that dial. Hot Mic is the place to be. But to be representing. Don't forget to touch that dial. Like the page, Nakiro Nano, because we are the best in Zimbabwe and the rest of the world. Boom! Live from the color flags, yellow. Boom! Please introduce.